Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickUp and Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate tasks between ClickUp and hundreds of other apps, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. Let's get started with the setup process. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll need to create one first before proceeding with this integration. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Zapier dashboard. Here, look for the Zapier button and click on it. This button initiates the process of creating a new automation, which Zapier calls a Zapier. Clicking this will open up the Zap editor where you can start building your connection between ClickUp and other applications. Next, you'll need to click on the trigger button. The trigger is essentially the event that starts your automation, so this step is crucial for setting up how ClickUp will communicate with Zapier. Once you've clicked on it, a search bar will appear where you can look for different apps. In that search bar, type ClickUp and select it from the results that appear. This tells Zapier that you want ClickUp to be part of your automation workflow. Selecting ClickUp will bring up options for connecting your ClickUp account to Zapier. Now it's time to connect or sign in to your ClickUp account. Click on the option to connect and you'll be redirected to a login page where you'll need to enter your ClickUp credentials. This step ensures that Zapier can access your ClickUp data securely. Once you've signed in, ClickUp will ask you to grant Zapier permission to access your account. You'll see a prompt with buttons labeled Allow or Authorize. Go ahead and click on one of these buttons to give Zapier the necessary permissions. This authorization is essential for the two platforms to communicate effectively. After granting permission, you'll be taken to a screen where you need to select your ClickUp workspace from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple workspaces in ClickUp, make sure you choose the correct one that you want to integrate with Zapier. This ensures that all your automations will run in the right workspace. Once you've selected your workspace, click on Yes, Continue to your workspace to confirm your selection. This action finalizes your workspace choice and moves you forward in the setup process. Finally, you'll want to test the connection to make sure everything is working properly. Click on Test or Continue, and Zapier will attempt to pull sample data from your ClickUp account. If the test is successful, you'll see sample data appear, confirming that the connection between ClickUp and Zapier is established and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp to Zapier and can now start building powerful automations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.